I did use FFmpeg, and this file here is the same. A, B are the same. However, the original file was 400 megabytes and the output file is about 60 megabytes. The same video.
This is a Chevy dealership right here, and I'm just trying to film this.
This is the end of the video.
All right.
And so that was the input, the original file from the camera.
This is a Chevy dealership right here.
The output file. Again, maybe if you read the text, you see the text, the quality. Again, it's the same video. This is the end of the video. Let's see again, perhaps the text of the original one.
This is a Chevy.
So this is the same text as in the other video. So the difference, there is a small difference, but it's really not, depends on what you are looking in the video. Obviously, when you compress, you lose some quality. Bear in mind that this compression rate will greatly vary, depends what's in the image. A complex image with many colors, objects, and so on will compress much less. A simpler image may compress more. So again, this is a factor of about plus minus 7 or 8. I have a video I'm going to link you how to install and how to run FFmpeg, and also the commands. It's not difficult. You just need to be careful not to do something else. And just want to finish saying that if you have a YouTube channel, when you upload the video on YouTube, you have the option to download it from your dashboard, basically from the studio. And when you download it, it's going to be compressed. So basically, YouTube processing, when they process the video that you upload, is doing exactly this, a compression. So if you download again the video that you upload, you will also get some level of compression. Try it and compare it maybe with FFmpeg and see which one is better for you.